The Karnataka Home Minister continues to defend it, saying the police acted according to the law, continuing to say that the law was not violated in the case. This was not targeting of a Rambhakt. Listen in.
ಅವ್ರೇನು ಕಾನೂನಿಗೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಆದರೆ ಇವರು ಅನವಶ್ಯಕವಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಹಿಸಬೇಕು? ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
My colleague Imran is also joining us on the broadcast. In fact, Imran has been in Hubballi. He has also been speaking to the family members of Shrikant Pujari, who expressed shock and said that he had been visiting the police station time and again. We're as shocked as the rest of the country. Why was he suddenly arrested? But Imran, the defense continues to come in. The Home Minister still saying that this was just a normal procedure that was being followed.
Well, yes, the BJP, as aware, has poked holes in many of the theory words given by the current Congress government here. They're saying that if that is the case update list shows that many times he had gone to the police station for giving bonds. He has signed, and as the family claims that only 100 meters from their house is the police station. Where is the question of absconding? And this is a 31-year-old case. In fact, the lawyers arguing in the court today said that in this past 3 decades, not a single notice has come from the court on this case. And the original FIR, his name was not there. In the second additional charge sheet, his name was there. Even the original FIR documents and complaint copy is not available in the police station. And what basis the police now have arrested him after 3 decades? This is what his defense lawyers argued in the court today, seeking his bail, and also said that all this while he was in Hubli, he was conducting as an auto driver, he was earning his life, and he's recently undergone operation there.
Okay.
So all this while, when only 100 meters from his house the police station is there, he was attending in other cases, because he has 16 other cases in which he was attending, but the police is aware of his presence. And how come suddenly the police is claiming there's absconding, and they have arrested him now, that to a 3-decade-old case?
Okay, all right. Imran and Deepak, thank you for joining us with those details. The case report very clearly shows that the police officials were aware of the whereabouts. Dr. Lakshmi Ashwin Gowda, BJP spokesperson, as well as Amrit Shenoy, political analyst, joining us on the broadcast. Amrit, I want to begin with you. The case details, this is from the Karnataka police, which shows very clearly that the accused, the Kar Sevak, was going to the police station time and again. So what prompted the Home Minister, the police commissioner, even the Chief Minister to say that this was a case of an absconding man being arrested by the police?
Actually, as Home Minister rightly quoted, government is doing its duty. If at all police have done anything which is not legal or which is wrong, then BJP is right. But he has got so many accusations, allegations, cases against him. So if police was not doing its duty.
But don't you think there's something odd about the timing?
The previous governments also.
It's a 1992 case. This is a man who has appeared before the police time and again. What explains this sudden arrest just ahead of the Ram Mandir event?
Only not 1992 case booked in the year 1992. Throughout in last 30 years, there were so many cases, not only for a mob and all these things. There are so many cases against him.
Yes, but the last case had been booked against him in 2018.
Yeah, now Congress government is there since 7 months. So Congress government is accountable for what happened in the 7 months only. Earlier there was a BJP government. So let us not talk about why police did not act against him in the last 30 years or 20 years or 5 years. Whatever done by police today, it is totally legal, and no connection of his Ram Bhakti and his arrest.
Dr. Lakshmi Ashwin,
absolutely no connection.
What do you have to say about that? This is completely legal. The last case against him was 2018. He may have appeared before the police time and again, but he was still absconding, and the police has done the right thing.
Madam, Siddaramaiah-led Congress government has created an ecosystem, a sort of ecosystem of violence. an ecosystem of anti-Hindu sentiments. The political sentiment is about the tone and tenor of them is anti-Hindu, anti-Sanatana Dharma, anti-people. They have literally started witch hunt. Once the entire nation is set to celebrate the opening of the Ram Mandir, they have started witch hunting Hindus and punishing them. The timing of the arrest of this person, the Pujari, Shrikant Pujari, is very much dubious. It's very much questionable. Their timing of arrest itself is questionable and it is despicable. His arrest is despicable. He is innocent. He is from a poor family. Just because that he is a Karasevak, he has been arrested. What was the necessary for them to arrest? They have created an ecosystem that they have lit the anti-Hindu fire in the entire nation in the past, that they have literally burnt themselves in the entire nation. They are on the verge of their extinction. The Congress government is ready to brand him as a criminal. When in their cabinet itself there are many criminals like cabinet ministers like
Why is the
Madhu
BJP
Bangarappa.
saying, why do you
Madhu
believe this
Bangarappa.
arrest has taken place now all of a sudden after so many years?
Correct. Because, this itself tells that they are anti-Hindu. We are celebrating Ram Mandir. They're opposing it and they're against a person called Ram. They don't profess the values of a Ram. Ram is the Lord Sri Ram.
Okay,
is a
because
worker.
until now it
He's
was
an
just a
embodiment
charge by the
of chivalry and
BJP
brave.
that the government was targeting the Ram Bhaks. But now that the case status report has come in, it clearly shows that the claim that the accused was absconding is absolutely false. Well, the people are watching. It's up to them to decide. Thank you both for joining us on the broadcast with that. Quick break. We'll be right back.